Hey everyone, happy fall, and I wanted to show you a super easy and festive soap you can all have this autumn season. The first thing we're going to need are some melt and pour soap. You can get goat's milk or whatever type you'd like just from Michael's. You're also going to need some skin safe soap colorant, so you can also purchase from Michael's. For some lovely pumpkin pie aroma, you're going to need some pumpkin pie spice, and you can grab any type of mold that you want. I just got this one from Michael's. They're the simple, square, or rectangle ones. For an additional pumpkin pie aroma, you can get these pumpkin pie fragrance oils. Make sure they're safe for your skin and contain essential oils, as a lot of fragrance oils can contain a lot of synthetic products. So first we're going to cut up our melt and pour soap, and we are going to put that in a microwave safe container. And these 9 squares will make about 2 full bars of soap. So now it's super easy. You can just put it in the microwave until it melts. We're going to do it about 30 seconds each time so that the soap doesn't actually burn. Once it's melted, carefully take it out, and we're just going to add 2 small droplets of that fragrance oil and then a few drops of the soap colorant. You can add as much as you want actually, so you get the actual color that you want. And then we're just going to add a teaspoon of that pumpkin spice. I'm adding a little bit more orange to get that pumpkin color, and you know what? You can actually make a nice little pattern or make some swirls like a marble pattern, and it will come out like that when the soap dries. So once you're finished, you can pour it in the mold and it comes out just like this. I usually spray the top with alcohol so you can remove all the bubbles, but this one is not as obvious. So you want to let this harden for about 3 hours, and they come out super nice and smelly, just like pumpkin spice. Now, if you do want to give this away, make sure that you're wearing gloves as you do this. I'm just going to be keeping these for myself, so I actually didn't have any with me. But you can make little wrappers just like this, and they're just cardstock paper I got from Michael's. And these make for absolutely fabulous gifts around your Thanksgiving table, or if you're having a nice fall wedding. As always, I love to hear from you all, and I want to know your comments down below, so make sure you hit me up. Don't forget to subscribe to my other channel for more fun videos, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!